A very good evening, respected judges, organizers, and one and all present here. We are representing Southwest Garo Hills Ampati. We are here to showcase the harvesting time in the form of Wangala dance, the dance which is the harvest of all the Garos and also the dynamic expression of graces and joy passed down through generation in the form of festival. Now we'll be showcasing some of the harvesting Wangala dance steps that are Sararoa, Sararoa is a movement of Wangala when dancers and drummers are learned to be outside of the house by the Nogma, the husband of the woman who holds power of an Ageng chiefman after the ritual called Tatat Soa incense burning. Below the earth and the sea when it is time for Wangala. There was two birds named Amijasa and Dosira who taught this particular form of Wangala dance. First Wangala present of hunting down of Dome form fathers on Khubor and the bed and form a partner had to be made the Dome same level as their own. Media this portion of the Wangala dance symbolizes the age-old tradition of rice competition among the active peoples fitting the particular process of planting rice in the fields. This work of the Wangala dance represents the joyous movement and the rise in mature and ready video herself and the villagers symbolic case away the monkey that made village their fields and that were present as a dance in front of Wangala. Tangle Kola before fetching harvest the Arctic people traditionally official the first major crops there. Dice Mrs. Saljong Achuk Daiji and Memina Achuk Daiji as a greater graduate and present is in form of Wangala. In this segment of the Wangala dance movement, demonstrates and traditional harvesting, technique so can sing, so bright and skillfully cut and stretch. In this part of the Wangala, people practice of sun-drying rice in sockets following the successful harvest. This particular form of Wangala dance, those successfully illustrate the Aceh people's protective premeasure ensuring their rice harvest remains safe from bird damage while drying in the sun. This segment of the Wangala dance depicts the edible of drop bird drawn to face on the rice, spaced out to drying in the face. Dancers are now dancing a step called Miswa, the traditional fountain of rice dancing, wooden mortar and pestle. Chosama and Kiroka. Dancers are now imitating a step called Mi Chosama and winnowing of rice grind from shape dancing, the traditional movement Bambo tribe. And now dancers are cleaning themselves after finishing all their work. This beautiful step marks the end of the day. And now we come across the calculation of this Wangala dance. By this final segment of the Wangala dance feature, the performers exiting the stage with video sector, bidding farewell and intensely warm greeting to every audience present here.